Okay, we're going to do another quadratic function in general form. The function is f of x equals 3x squared minus 5x plus 7. The vertex is hk, where h is minus b over 2a, so minus a minus 5 over 2 times a, which is 3, and I get positive 5/6. And then my k is whatever I get when I plug in h into f, so it's whatever, so f of 5/6. So 3 times 5/6 squared minus 5 times 5/6 plus 7. So I don't want to get the calculator right now, so I'm going to skip ahead to the y-intercept. So let me rewrite my function. Okay, so my y-intercept is when x equals 0. So the y-intercept is at 7. The x-intercept, that's when f of x equals 0, and I solve for x. I get 3x squared minus 5x plus 7 equals 0. And I'm going to use the quadratic formula, a, b, c. So remember with the quadratic formula, I'll write it down. Okay, so I need to figure out what b squared minus 4ac is. So that's what we call the determinant. So I get minus 5 squared minus 4 times a times c. So that's 25. Minus 5 squared is 25. And then minus 12 times 7. So 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 7 is 84. So I have 25 minus 84. I don't know what that is. I don't need to know what it is. I just need to know that it's negative. So I'm taking the square root of a negative number, which I don't want to do. It means that there's no x-intercept. So when your determinant's negative, there's no x-intercepts. So let's pull up the calculator and figure out the other things that we didn't do. So we need to know the k part of the vertex. So I'm going to go to my home screen. Oh, okay. So I get 3 times 5/6 squared minus 5 times 5/6 plus 7. Okay, and I convert that into a fraction. 59/12. So that's the k part of my vertex. And since it's positive and the parabola opens up, I'm not going to have any x-intercepts. So I'm not as worried about graphing it because I figured all this other stuff out. So I can go back over here and put my vertex as 5/6 and 59/12. So that's my vertex. Now some of the things that I didn't write down earlier was the range. So it opens up, so I'm going to go from k, whatever k is, in this case 59/12, to positive infinity. My domain is all real numbers. And my axis of symmetry is x equals h. X equals 5/6. All right, and then so that's all I was going to do for this one. Now I could graph it. Yeah, I should graph it. So I'm going to go back over here. Y equals clear the old thing, 3x squared minus 5x plus 7. Graph that. Okay, there's my vertex. I'm going to type in trace 5/6. And there it is, blinking. That's what we saw on the home screen when I calculated the function for x equals 5/6. No x-intercepts because it opens up. Doesn't cross through the x-axis. I type in y equals 0. Or x equals 0 to get my y-intercept to 7, which is the same as what I did with my analysis. So that is another example of using the, or dealing with the parabola written in general form.